Hello guys, welcome back to Show Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Snapchat message not sending and how to fix this up both for Android as well as for your iOS, and how to fix this up. So first, what you have to do is when you're trying to send a message to someone, if it's not been sending, the basic step is make sure that you're having a good internet connection. So one of the basic step to do this is you just have to scroll down from the notification bar and try out doing the flight mode and see whether the issue has been solved or not. Do a flight mode, enable flight mode and disable it back and connect to the respective, if it is a Wi-Fi, just connect it to back, or if you're having any kind of data pack, you just have to do in the same and see whether the issue has been solved or not. This is a very basic step, and after trying this, if it's not working, then you just have to go to the step 2, which is all about you just have to go back and click on the top left. There is a profile icon, you just have to click on this, and there is a top right, there is a settings icon, you just have to click on the red color, you just have to click on this, and you just have to scroll down a little bit, and there is an option under account actions, clear cache option, so you just have to click on that and you just have to go for continue. You just have to just have to clear the cache and just have to click on continue, and most probably by doing this the issue has to be fixed. And this is the solution number 2. And now what happens is it is downloaded successfully, the caches have been cleared. Now you have to see whether the issue is solved or not, and even if it's not working, then you just have to do one thing. It's a very logic concept which I wanted to say, guys, is that when you're trying to send a message to someone, make sure that the person is your friend, or she or he accepted your friend request, or else you'll not be able to send them the message. So you just have to do that. So you just have to make sure that the person is your friend. Then you just have to send this, as you can see at the top, that it indicate that it is a friend. So right, so you just have to do that part, and you have to make sure that the person is your friend, or else she'll not be receiving your message in between. So you just have to make sure this part also, which is sometimes you'll not be friends, so you'll not be able to send the message because they won't be able to read your message in case if they didn't, or he or she didn't accept it. So this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.